Hello, in order to free up storage on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can for instance open the settings, then scroll down and find a device care, choose it, and then tap on storage. Over here you will find the summary of the storage, how much space is occupied, how much is left. You can also swipe in order to find for instance your memory card and so on and so forth. But if you want to free up some space, what you can do is use one of these options, or all of them if you wish to, of course. These are optional. You can go to trash in order to find everything that you have removed in the last 30 days. So these items are not permanently removed until 30 days is passed, or until you delete them forever by yourself. So you can check these items over here. So if you delete photos or videos, you can still find them in the trash before they are gone forever. You can also check unused apps. So these are apps that you have never used or didn't use in the last 30 days. And you can also see how much space they take. So you can select whichever app you want to remove and then confirm by pressing this uninstall button. Of course, you can still decide if you have apps that are not on the list, but you don't use them at all, then you can still, of course, uninstall them. You can, for instance, press and hold your finger on the app, and then you have the option to uninstall. Let's go back to the storage. We also have duplicate files, so over here we can find everything that is considered a duplicate. So if you have two exact or very similar copies of something, you may be able to find it over here. And we also have large files, so these are files that take lots of space pretty much. You can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to choose what is considered large file size. So for instance, instead of 25 megabytes, you can choose 50. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.